What it do, Jody Gang? It's your boy Jody Joe. What's your name?
Ava Chubby.
Alright, man. Today we doing a mukbang, a Wendys Mukbang. I'm doing it with the family or whatnot, so pretty much, yeah, man.
Let's get to it. Okay,
I'm starving.
I started too.
Hey, man, before we get lit up, man, be sure to like the video,
I have
comment.
a chubby.
Right after you eat, baby, you gotta eat first.
Okay. You want the people to see you eat?
I want my chubby.
You gotta eat first. Tell people to like,
Eat.
comment, subscribe.
Chubby, bye.
And if y'all heard her, man, y'all gotta do what the boss lady says, man. Make sure you like the video, comment more videos, mukbangs, ideas y'all want us to do or eat, whatever like that, man. In the comments below.
It's first at the top. And you can
Get the ketchup.
Okay. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Do not forget to subscribe, man. We're on the road to 20K, man. I feel it. I feel it in my heart.
Don't forget you pretty eight.
Hit that subscribe button. Everybody, hit that notification bell, man. Sit down and eat, baby.
Daddy, I got my chubby.
Gotta eat first.
No.
Let's see.
Where Ava food at?
Right here. In her toy.
I know yo. No, this is mine.
This must be her.
So we doing Wendy's today, man. We didn't say hi to your camera. We didn't say hi to Jody Gang.
Wait. Let me see.
We didn't say hi to Jody Gang.
Remote.
You still gotta say hi to Jody Gang.
What up, Jody Gang?
What up, Jody Gang?
Bobby, you grab chocolate.
It's not even mine. Woo! I need to hit that. Thirsty.
That's hers. Her fries not for.
This your burger,
Her
baby.
top.
I can watch.
Tell them what you eating, Ava.
Oh,
Tell the camera tell them what you eating.
I eat burger.
Burger and fries with chocolate milk. This girl love her some chocolate milk. For real.
Ate it.
Hey,
I can watch.
what's wrong?
Watch.
Here, you can't cry though. You can watch.
She didn't take a nap at daycare today. So
And I take it out of daycare.
they said you been taking a nap today.
Yeah, I take it out of daycare.
What time you taking a nap?
On my bed and in my cot.
On your cot. Did you lay down and take a nap or two different things?
So her mama gave in and just gave her the phone or whatever. Y'all see my son in the cut? AD,
Eating everything under the sun.
you smashing that chicken nugget? Tell me what you got. What you
I got a baked potato with cheese, bacon, and cream.
I don't eat bacon, but this baked potato do look smashable.
Wait.
It looks smashable.
Wait. Oh, wait a minute.
I ain't get too much, man. I got me a double stacked cheeseburger, crispy chicken sandwich, and some spicy 4-piece nuggets, bro. Where's sour cream at?
Sour cream.
Oh, we got a cookie too?
Eat it.
And we got a chocolate chip cookie. And we got a chocolate chip cookie.
Careful with your sauce.
Okay, cool.
Ava, you want ketchup? Ava, you want ketchup?
Over there.
Hey, it's crazy. We bought all this food, and they didn't give us no sweet and sour sauce. Luckily, I found me a McDonald's sweet and sour sauce. So, that's cool. We gotta say grace. Hey, we wanna say grace?
Can you say it for us?
Got it good. Got it right. Ready to go for.
Amen.
Amen.
Good job, baby.
Good
High
job.
five. Yeah. Huh? Ugh. I do not eat onions or pickles, bro. You don't like pickles?
Eater.
Pickles nasty?
She said a pickle eater.
That's how you know that's my daughter. You don't eat no pickles.
Mhm.
You ain't got pickles on your baby.
Ketchup.
Eat your burger, baby. Mm. Woo! That's right.
This is so good.
I got this right. What you do out there?
I had a busy day.
They hit good. It's hitting.
This is really good.
Mm-hmm. Woo!
How was your day?
So what?
How was your day?
Man, it's alright. But it is double stack. It's double good. Shit.
I'm trying to baked potato.
That was straight.
I don't never normally get bacon.
Yeah, if you ain't got no bacon, I would have probably got some, but
I always get like the sour cream and chive one, but I like the cheese. I'm like, let me just try this.
it's good, man. It's good.
Yeah, put on a little salt and pepper. That's good. It's good, Ada. You eat. Eat.
So,
Banana.
if y'all didn't know what month it is, it's March Madness. That's right.
Water. Nice cold water.
My birthday, my boss day, is March 20th now. Gee,
You think your happy birthday?
y'all put that on your calendars, man. March 20th, your boy Jody boss day, man.
What about me?
Oh yeah, her birthday March 5th. Well, this weekend. So we're gonna turn up for her birthday.
You want to drop this tomorrow or tonight?
So
Here.
probably tonight. I ain't doing that. I'm gonna finish watching the rest of that show. What we doing for your birthday, man?
We are going
That's one burger,
to
man.
have fun on night on the town.
But yeah,
Family and friends.
she's throwing a party or whatever at this bar. Everybody come turn up with us. I don't know what I'm doing for my birthday yet, man. Thinking about going to Chicago. I want to go to Chicago, dog. Chill out there.
Let's see what he got. If he like it. You want to try it? He's more independent.
His chicken sandwich in this in too, man. Yeah, so we pretty much gonna do that. You just gonna ignore your grandma calling and all that? We need a thumbnail, man. Ava.
Milk.
Look at the camera, Ava. Watch me
Cheese, say
then.
cheese. Wash it down.
But yeah, though, gang. As you can see,
After work festivities. What life outside of work look like for us.
bro.
Ava, you didn't eat.
You not eating nothing.
Wait. No, I eat it.
Good job. But yeah, man,
This
this
little burger for a nice piece of potato got me
I'm
stuck.
in my bed.
quit talking with your mouth full. I'm talking with my mouth full. I gotta do that, right? Hold on.
Nana.
Got you.
Nana.
I need some water, bro.
Yeah, me too.
That's a bee.
Oh, whatever.
You still pushing
How you gonna
it?
stuff it in your mouth, man? Yeah, you can't. You can't do mukbangs with us no more. Hey, homie. Hey, you can't do mukbangs with us no more. Woo!
At least he ate all his food.
He a drumming.
He ate the
That's my son.
whole
You
portion.
see me? I'm done with 2 burgers.
Here, come on. Come on.
Scoot over, baby. Scoot up, son.
You pass me a water too. Come on.
Woo!
Wait. Wait.
But hey, man, this is the life. I could do this all day, man. Chilling with your family, bruh. I love this, man. Bro, Wendy's 4-piece spicy nuggets with some McDonald's sweet and sour sauce. Woo! Woo!
Ooh. I definitely got full.
Hey, these spicy, they sneak up on you.
I definitely got full. What's for this potato?
Bro, I can't believe our birthdays is on the same month, bro.
Like,
That's crazy.
what, 10 days apart?
So she older than, she a cougar.
15 days.
She older.
By 15 days.
So remember?
Here.
Where your burger go, Ava? Eat your burger. I'm a, huh? You want some more ketchup?
Ooh. And you got your frosting.
Oh yeah. Let me put this frosty in the freezer. I forgot I had it. Hey, Wendy's low key slap for this. I ain't eat Wendy's in a long time. Y'all just some thirsty butts over there. But yeah, man, this weekend we finna get lit.
Yeah, this weekend should be fun to bring everybody out. Well, I haven't been out in a while or don't go out like that.
Cause if you know us, you know we be at the crib. For real.
Yeah, with these children. Oh. Good job, Ava. You eating all your burger.
Man, kids in these. Hey, if you want your kid to be quiet, if you tired of your kid being loud, coming in your music videos being loud.
Look at this one. He hypnotized from a distance.
Look,
Crazy.
give him your phone or your iPad. Look.
It's crazy. It hypnotized from a distance. Only educational things.
Yeah.
Make sure you're monitoring what your kids are watching.
Yeah, man, there be some crazy kids, man. Make sure you watch your kids, man. Ain't that right?
Aiden, say apple.
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 He's one. Tell me your sign language.
Say eat.
Eat. Yeah.
More.
More. Sign language. Shoes. Yeah.
Eat. Hat.
Hat.
Good
Yay.
You
Clap for
sorry?
brother. Clap for brother. Yay.
Good job.
Good job, man.
High
High five.
You gonna give me a high five too? Thank you.
Whew, that's pretty much it, man. That wraps up the mukbang, man. The first mukbang on the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Next mukbang, we're gonna give you guys some more, I don't know, be a little more lit. I don't know, just
It's the after work.
yeah, bro.
Now
So-
it's time to clean up, get ready for tomorrow.
Hey.
Don't hate it, 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 don't hate it.
Be sure to like the video, comment, give us some more mukbang food ideas. I need some different food ideas, man. Wendy's will slap.
We need
Wendy's will
something
slap.
else.
When you don't eat something in a long time, it be slap. It be good.
We need
That's
something
her.
new.
Bro, leave it alone. Alright, it's gonna be a wrestling match in here, man.
Yep.
So make sure you guys like, comment.
Hey,
if you're new
Aiden.
to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Everybody hit that notification bell, man. Jody gang out.